Welcome back to Mad Dan at the Allen Park Public Library. I'm Mad Dan. We are continuing our summer reading series, Oceans of Possibilities. Today we're going to be talking about sound as a wave. For this experiment, all you need is an empty container that you stretch a plastic cover over and something like salt or sugar to act as a medium. We can't see sound. The waves are not visible, but we can see how it reacts. So we're going to be using sound on this container and seeing what happens to the sugar. There's two variables. There's the pitch and there's the volume. We're only going to change one at a time. So when we're changing the pitch, we're going to keep the volume steady. When we change the volume, it's going to be at a very specific pitch, and we're going to see what occurs. So taking an empty jar, pull a piece of plastic taut over the top and secure it with a rubber band, and that will give us a drum that we can use to show how the sugar reacts to the sound waves that we are going to focus at it. So we're going to take some of this sugar and then we're going to use a tone generator to show if anything happens as the sound changes. Now, there are three main types of sounds. There are subsonic, which are below our ability to hear. There's sonic sounds, which we can hear. And then there are ultrasonic sounds, which are higher than we can hear. We're going to be focusing on all of them. We're going to see how this reacts. You may want to turn your volume down on your speakers. The tones can be annoying. We're at 1 hertz, which is very subsonic. We can start hearing things around 120. So between 700 and 800 hertz is when the sound was able to vibrate either the glass or the plastic or the sugar. It doesn't really matter which, but we did see proof that the sound waves were bouncing and causing a reaction. And as you can see, all I did was change the direction of the speaker, changing where the sound waves were coming from, and you could watch the crystals react in real time as the sound bounced off of them differently. By changing the volume, we just changed the intensity, but we kept the frequency the same. This is very similar to how whales communicate using the sound waves through the water. I hope this has been an informative, if slightly annoying, demonstration of how sound waves work. I've been Mad Dan at the Allen Park Public Library with our Oceans of Possibilities series. Please join us next time.